In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through how to collect, track, and manage sales tax on your invoices and receipts so your books stay accurate and compliant. To begin, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and select Taxes. This is your central hub for all things tax-related in QuickBooks. On the Taxes page, click the option to set up sales tax. Depending on your view, this might appear as Set up Sales Tax, Let's Set You Up, or simply Set Up Tax. This launch point starts a guided flow that keeps you on track. Next, you'll be asked to select your tax agency. This is the government office you send your collected sales tax to, such as a state or local tax authority. Choosing the correct agency ensures your returns and payments match the right destination. You'll then choose your filing frequency. This is how often you're required to file and pay your sales tax, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Pick the frequency that matches your registration and legal requirements. QuickBooks uses this to help remind you when filings are due. Click Next to continue. Now select the sales tax rate for your location. This may be a single state rate or a combined rate that includes state, county, city, or special districts. Make sure the rate reflects where your sales occur so your invoices calculate correctly. You'll see an option to assign taxable customers and products or services. This is where you tell QuickBooks which customers and which items should have sales tax applied. Many physical goods are taxable, while certain services or items may be exempt. If a customer is tax exempt, mark them accordingly so QuickBooks doesn't apply tax to their invoices. You can always adjust these settings later if your product catalog or customer list changes. Click Next, then review everything you've entered. Confirm the agency, filing frequency, rates, and the taxable assignments. When everything looks right, click Finish to complete the setup. From here on, QuickBooks Online will automatically apply sales tax to invoices and receipts where it's applicable. When you create an invoice or sales receipt, you'll see the tax calculated based on the customer, the items, and your location. If needed, you can review the tax details on the form before you save and send, ensuring accuracy every time. That's it. Your sales tax is set up and ready to go, helping you stay organized and confident at tax time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.